UC Thomas back again with another Tommy unboxing review and first one. Or unboxing, unwrapping, checkout and review video. And first one. We have a tender and an express coach. I think this is the Shooting Star Gordon. The Tommy Shooting Star Gordon, sorry. Let's see if the cat wants to go in the box now. Can you get me out here?
Hello, sister. What are you doing here? I'm having a baby, remember? Oh, yes. You have to come inside then.
Oh my god, it is the Tommy Playmail Shooting Star Gordon. Let's have a good look at the Shooting Star. Oh, wow! I like the face on Gordon. Dimey Shooting Star. Sorry, it's Gordon, but he's in his streamline mode. Let's check if he has a battery in. No. Okay. I'm just going to put the battery in, and then we'll give him his first run. Before you ask who that black and white thing is, that's my cat. Going in the box. Oh, yeah, what are you doing? Ready to see Gordon in his normal mode? Let me put his body shell back on first. What's Oreo doing today? Oh, we tell you when it's on tight. Ready? That on tight? Okay, let's see what Gordon looks like in his normal speed. Ready? How fast is he going there, Mummy?
Fast.
Let's try him in his high speed. How fast is the real speed in there now, Mother?
Extremely fast now.
Yeah. Let's give him his first one. Along with his tender and new express coach. If you're watching this, you see a good idea to get the Tommy version of this Shooting Star Gordon like I have. I'll try him on normal mode for now, then I'll try him on his high speed mode. What do you think, Mother? No! Oh no! Pull the cat, Mother. Go on. Now, high speed. Go get him. No, you don't resist. Go get him, Thomas. There's my streamline Thomas, guys. If I have time today, I'll make a video of my streamline Thomas, okay? But I really like the Gordon that I have. Oh! Sorry about that, guys. That's my cat knocking my Gordon over as usual. Go get him, Thomas. I like the star on the side of Gordon as well. Do you, Mother? Gordon's on high speed, isn't he, Mummy? Do you think he'll try and derail Thomas, look? Let's see. Let's see if I can win him against Connor. In the moon. Oh yeah!
Well, we hope you liked Ethan and Oreo's playing time.
Who's